Hi and hello. And got another Stitch Fix. Yeah, can you believe it's been almost a year? Time flies. I wanted something to sort of refresh the leading into spring wardrobe. So she went and picked some things out and had a good conversation with the stylist. I still have my same stylist as last year. Her name is Tara. They still are down to one page instead of two. You get a note from your stylist. There's pricing in here. There's also a QR code so you can see more of your information. And so here we are with 5 tops to check out and see what I think. And I think you're wearing one of them. Yes, I am. This is the Darren Lattice Back Pointel sweater in light blue. All the tops today are size medium, and this has a price of $49. And the sleeves, I've cuffed them up. Get this one down there. A little long, but I don't mind that. Keeps the back of my hand warm. I like the length on this because my jeans stop here and the pocket of my jeans is there. So that's really nice. And the back has the lattice that it was talking about. And I will cozy up here so you can get a little bit of closer look at me and the top. Now I am finding that, yeah, I'm holding it so we're not showing off too much. This is a top, if I keep it, that I will probably put a tank top underneath, just so that if I lean forwards, I'm, like I said, not showing off everything. I like the detail that it has at the top and throughout the bottom of the sweater, and this is soft. This is soft. So this is a definite contender. Let's see what's next. This is the Fortune and Ivy Gianna back detailed mixed material top. It is in olive and it has a price of $39. And I'll come back a little further so you can see. It is a good length. It has a high-low or a scoop up. So it's long enough in the back that I could wear it with leggings and keep my tushy covered up. This is where my jeans land, so it comes down a decent length, easy still to get into my pockets. On the back, we have cute detailing, and back here, this is actually a bow. I did not realize when I was looking at it on the app that it had a bow. How fun! Cap sleeves, which will be fine in spring to even into summer. As we transition, this is a top that I would probably wear a long-sleeved off-white blouse underneath just to keep warm. And I will cozy up a little bit so that you can get a look at the 2 different materials. I like the way the pattern goes around the neckline. I like the details on the sleeve, and it's not too low cut down there. Top number 3 is from Staccato, long-sleeved keyhole neck ribbed top in pink with a $39 price tag. And this one is also of a good length that I'm wearing it with jeans, can still get into the pocket. It's also long enough that it's going to cover most of my tush if I wear it with leggings. And I like this. I will come in closer. I like this neckline with a little keyhole in it, and this is a real button if I wanted to unbutton it for whatever reason. It's lightweight. It is something where, you know, if it's cool in the morning, put a sweatshirt on top of it. As the day warms up, take the sweatshirt off. This is the pattern, excuse me, Miss Fatima, that is on the shirt, and the pattern extends onto the cuff area, which the length of the sleeve is good for me. You know, you could roll it up if you wanted to. You could scooch the whole thing up, and scooching it up, I feel where the seam on the sleeve is a little tight, but not something where I would want to size up the top. So this is looking like a probable contender. What do y'all think so far? Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think. Would you pick this one? I'm liking the weight of it, and it's soft. It's not overly soft, but it's not itchy. We don't want anything itchy. Let's see what's next. This one is also from Staccato, long-sleeved button detail knit top in teal green, $44. And this has a straight all the way around. My jeans come here, so it could be tucked in if one wanted to tuck in. I prefer it out, to be honest. Easy to still get into the pockets. The sleeves, a tidge on the long side, which honestly is fine with me. Keeps my hands warm. Easy to cuff up or easy to scoot up. And I don't feel any tightness on this one when I scoot up the sleeve. This has got a square neckline, and I will cozy in for a close-up so we can see. There are buttons. These are, I'm going to say, false buttons. They don't really unbutton. Fatima, always the watchful eye. I like the color of this one. It's not green, but it's not blue. I guess that's why they call it teal. This is the pattern, and to me it looks like about the same pattern as the other one. The back is the same. Nothing special back there. Again, a nice lightweight. So if it's chilly in the morning, put on a sweatshirt or a jacket, and as the day heats up, then you've got a cute shirt. And I mean, obviously, I don't have to always wear it with jeans, although most of my life is spent in leggings and jeans right now. This could be dressed up with a nice pair of slacks. Or even if you, I'm not much of a skirt person, but it could go with a skirt. Yeah, this might be a contender. And the buttons, they do go all the way down to here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I can count to 6. I don't know if I can count beyond that, but I can count to 6. And this last one is the Letty and Me V-neck sweater in pink, $45. And small, simple band at the bottom, but nothing constricting. My jeans come up to here, so it's a nice length. And one thing with all of these, especially the ones that have just a straight hem, I can do arms all the way up, and I'm not exposing my middle, so that's very nice. And I will cozy up here because one of the things that I thought was really neat, and I hope it shows up on camera, there's detailing around the neck that then goes all the way down the middle. And then the detailing, where did it go? It starts at, here I am. It starts at the shoulder, makes its way down to around your elbow, where it then widens out and encompasses the lower half of the sleeve. I thought that was a really neat idea, something different. I haven't seen that before. Both this sweater and the one I had on at the beginning are machine washable or hand washable and then lay flat to dry, so that's nice. Again, it's a lightweight sweater, so you could pop a jacket over it if it's still chilly in the morning. And then when it warms up a bit, take it off. And again, this would nicely dress up with a pair of slacks or with a skirt. So I'm considering this one. What do you think over there, Miss Fatima? Or did you doze off? Oh, that was a very nice collection of things from Stitch Fix. Yes, it was. And they do still include, shipping to me was free, and the shipping, should we return anything, comes with a prepaid label, so that's very nice. So taking a quick look down the line at the nitty-gritty, oh yes, the nitty-gritty here is an important one. Yes, it is. Normally, there's a $20 styling fee. I got a special promotion. Oh, that's nice. I didn't have to pay a styling fee. Now, if you pay the styling fee and you purchase something, what you paid as your fee gets applied to your purchase. So if we take a look at, like I said, the nitty-gritty, the Stylist Picks subtotal from Miss Tara is $216. If you buy all 5, you get a 25% discount, which in this case is $54. And they do have it arranged now, I noticed on the app. You can get, I believe it's up to 7 items. You can get more than just 5. You can get, I think, like I said, it was up to 7. Oh, that's interesting. Yes. So the order subtotal is $162, which for 5 tops, that's not too shabby if you like them all and if they all fit correctly. And so on the average, that would make each top $32 and change. And that's really not a bad price. No, that's really not a bad price. So, have you commented your favorites? Please do, we want to know. What do you think my favorites are? Can you guess? I'm gonna keep everything. I feel this was a good overall refresh for spring for what my needs are, and Tara did a great job. There is a link in my description box down below. If you use that link, you get $25 off your box. So your first box, you get $25 off. That means, in essence, it covers the styling fee and $5 extra. And I also will get $25. So if you want to consider it and give it a try, I'd say give it a try. Yeah, we've had some fun things from this place. Very nice. Yeah. We thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, you know the routine. Check out another video. We hope to see you soon. Catch you later. Which one are you wearing first? I don't know. Let's go find out. Okay.